Hello everyone! Welcome to today's lesson. We'll discuss about explanatory text. These texts are not only fascinating, but also essential for understanding how and why things happen around us. Let's dive right in. When on vacation in highland areas, Ziva often encounters rain. Shortly after the rain, Ziva usually sees a string of colorful lights in the sky called a rainbow. Ziva really likes rainbows and is curious about how they are formed. Ziva then intends to find an article that explains the process of how a rainbow is formed. Well, students, in English, the type of text Ziva needed earlier is an explanatory text. So in this video, we are going to learn about explanatory texts so that all the students can understand the explanatory text easily and quickly. Here is an example of an explanatory text. Miss will give you 1 minute to read this explanatory text. Well, after reading it, this is an explanatory text about rainbows. In this text, there are several structures that you need to know. The first structure is the general statement, which is the area that contains a general explanation of the phenomenon that will be discussed, either in the form of an introduction or a basic explanation of the phenomenon. The second is the sequence of explanations. This part explains why and how the phenomenon occurs by stating the sequence or clear stages of the event. The third part is the closing, which is the end of the text or conclusion that conveys the text summary. This part is optional. After understanding the structure of the explanatory text, next Miss will explain the language features found in this text. First, in the explanatory text, the simple present tense is used with the sentence pattern subject plus verb 1 plus object and subject plus verb 1 plus s or s plus object. Examples in the text are is, cause, and passes, or a rainbow is a natural event that occurs when sunlight interact with water droplets in the atmosphere. The second is using the passive voice with the formula to be plus verb 3. For example, admired and explained. Example sentence in the text is the formation of a rainbow can be explained through a series of processes involving light refraction, reflection, and dispersion. So can be is to be and explained is verb 3. And the last one is conjunctions, which use conjunctions like and. Well, after understanding the structure and language features of this explanatory text, it can be concluded that an explanatory text is a text that contains processes related to natural, social, geographical, or cultural phenomena that have occurred. Okay, that's all my explanation about explanatory text. Thank you and see you. Have a nice day.